Stick out of the crowd, baby, it's a no-brainer. It ain't that hard to choose. Him or me, be for real, baby, it's a no-brainer. You got your mind on loose.
Hey DBRIGHT Squad, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see from the title above, today I am filming DIY t-shirt bag, and this is literally the easiest DIY I've ever done. So let's get right into it. Okay, so for this DIY you literally need only two things. Very easy. You need an old t-shirt that you want to use for the bag. This is like the pattern that the bag will be, and it needs to be really stretchy for it to work, and you just need some scissors, and that's it. Okay, so first step is just lay down your shirt on a flat surface and just open it up a bit. Okay, so the first step that we're going to do is we're going to use our scissors to just cut off the sleeves. And the good thing with t-shirts is usually there's a line right where you're supposed to cut it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to take my scissors and I'm going to carefully just follow the line that's given here. Most t-shirts have that. If not, obviously fold it and then cut the sleeves off so it's perfectly the same. Okay, so the sleeves are cut off and basically it looks like a tank top now, and that's perfect. So the next step that we're going to do is we're going to cut a deep U, which will be like, it will help us make the handle of the bag. Okay, you have to be very careful with this step because you don't want to cut too much that the strap is too small. Okay, so we're just gonna make sure like we're getting rid of this part as well, and we're cutting into the back as well. So there you go, you have a nice U. Okay, as you can see, we're done cutting the U. The next step is to turn your shirt, invert it, turn it over inside out like that. So, perfect. So now we're going to be cutting strips at the bottom of the shirt so that it can be the base of the bag so that nothing comes out. Obviously it has to be closed at the bottom, and I'm going to show you guys how we're going to do that. Okay, so we'll be cutting strips of about 1 centimeter wide, and then we're going to make it not too long, maybe like 4 centimeters long. Okay, so you're just gonna, you can really just, you know, wing this. That's what I'm really gonna do, but to give you guys an idea, I'm not gonna go too far in. Okay, like that is way more than enough. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, and then you just keep going. Okay, so as you guys can see, the bottom is all cut. The next step here is we have these fringes at the bottom now. It looks like this. Okay, so what we're gonna do, let me really zoom in so you guys really get an idea of what I'm doing here. Okay, so make sure that for the ends, obviously it's together. So what I'm gonna get you to do is get the scissors and separate the base as well. Okay, perfect. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get those two pieces and you're just gonna tie a knot. Literally just a regular knot like that. Okay, so you're gonna do that for all of them. You're just gonna tie a knot, stretch it out a bit. Okay, so you guys get it? To secure it a little bit, what you're going to do is you're going to try to tie wherever you see spaces. Try to tie extra knots. So you just look through here and you just find a random one and you tie it. Try to get the opposite ones. But just try to find opposite ones and tying it. Wherever you see their space. Next step is to turn it around. Turn it over in and out. And your bag should look like this. Look at that. Nothing could get through that. And you have your cute little bag just like that.